It's 2021, and if you still haven't found a way for yourself to make money while laying on bed, then you're missing out a lot. So let's set up this passive income stream together in this short 10-minute video. And congratulations to Justin Cornwall, who won the $1,000 premium course from my last video. And you can even win this $1,000 premium course. It's a YouTube automation masterclass. Comment the most beautiful place I have been to is and stand a chance to win this $1,000 premium course. Just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as I always say. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's start the video. Go to fileupload.com. Well, this is far from the only platform I will show you, however. We will combine this with a few others in order to make this work. So please keep watching and don't skip ahead, otherwise this most likely won't work for you. By the way, this is a free cloud storage for your data. But this site is unique. It doesn't just store your data, but it allows you to make money whenever someone downloads any files you have uploaded here. The more people download them, the more money you will make. So let's see how much money this site makes. As you can see, File Upload pays up to $7 per 1,000 downloads. Now, I know that's not a lot, but the thing is, this site gets millions of visits per month. And you can go to similarweb.com and see, but before that, this is SimilarWebs. In case you don't know, this site will give you a detailed information about traffic that a certain site gets. And it says that fileupload.com gets 23.36 million total visits per month. And the most of the traffic that's coming from Egypt, India, Indonesia, United States and Taiwan. So you can see people around the world are coming to this site to download. So the point I'm making here is, although you get $7 per 1,000 downloads, this website gets millions of visits each and every month. So you'll be able to get quite a bit of downloads and earn a decent amount of money. However, I'll show you how to get traffic from another source to the files you upload as well. Oh wait, I can tell you the process of signing up and uploading the files. So get back to fileupload.com, and first of all you can see the proof of payment. And here you can see the payment methods and the amounts they've paid. And let's sign up to this brand new site. You can sign up from here. Simple sign up form. Give your username, email, password and payment info. Tick this to confirm that you are not a robot. And here you can see the withdrawal options. They got PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, Web Money, cryptocurrencies, Payer, and see the withdrawal options you got. They have even Western Union. You don't have to worry about the payout options. You just have to click the payout option you prefer here and submit this simple sign up form. And now you have a brand new account and you should start uploading files in order to get paid. And you can see this dashboard here, your balance and money transfers and everything. And you can upload files by clicking here. So let me show you a site that is perfect for that purpose. You can go to freeplrdownloads.com. and this is a website some of you have perhaps heard about by now, but those of you who haven't, freeplrdownloads.com is a site you can download PLR products, with PLR standing for product label rights. What this means is that on here you can find products that are free to use however and wherever you want to. So you can modify them and upload them in file upload easily. You don't even have to modify them. You can sell them as they are and claim that they are your own. You can do whatever you want with them. Furthermore, you have a variety of niches to choose from, like beauty, blogging, business, email marketing, finance, internet marketing, SEO, social media, and so on. So pick a niche and look for ebook. In this case, I'll go with internet marketing. You can pick whatever you want. I told you to choose an ebook because they are arguably the best type of products to use. So you can see there are some ebooks out here. You can click them and see this why they are giving this PLR for free. They are advertising on Google and they are getting Google ad revenue actually. In this case, it has 39 pages you don't have to worry about this. The file size is just 1.66 megabytes. So you can go ahead and click this download button and download the ebook. Come to file upload and you can see this orange color button. Click this and upload the file you downloaded. Now the people will start to download your file as this site gets a lot of traffic. And now I'll be giving you a bonus strategy to boost the downloads and maximize your earnings. Go to Instagram and you should create a brand new account. You have to give a name according to your niche. Put a good profile picture and this is your bio. Just go to edit and here you can give the name, username, change the profile picture, and here in the bio you can type whatever the niche you chose and you can type here, grab your free ebook, just like this. And in this website tab you can give the link of the file they should download. In order to get engagement on your Instagram account, you need followers and posts actually. So first type your niche. Mine is internet marketing, so you can select some of the decent profiles just like this and go to those profiles. As you can see, there are thousands of followers, and follow its followers as many as you can. Also make sure you follow less than 50 accounts per hour, otherwise your account will be in trouble, and I can guarantee you that most of them will follow you back simply because we know that they are interested in this niche. And also you need some posts as well, so you can search again hashtag your niche, find some decent posts. And in order to download these posts, you can copy this link and go to downloadgram.com and paste the link here and download it for free, and come back to your profile and re-upload the photo you downloaded. Make sure you credit the owner of the photo in the description. I know doing it this way will take a while, but after a couple of days you can expect a few thousand followers. With followers and posts, people will now start clicking on the link in your bio, and using Instagram you can boost your number of downloads a lot, and you'll be making money in passive income with ease from there. And after you make some money from this strategy, you can reinvest some of the money to get influencers and shout outs to promote your ebook in sites like influencercard.com and shoutcard.com. As they say, this is a top influencer marketing platform. Reach out 750 active followers and subscribers. Monetize your brand with no effort. This will just cost about $10 and it depends on the follower count. You can choose the profiles of your niche here, and the more you earn, the more you reinvest on shoutouts and the more profit you will get. And as always, if you have any problems, comment down below, and I really hope that you guys got some value out of this video. And if you did, like it, leave a thumbs up below, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, click that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload videos. And don't forget to check out the YouTube automation masterclass, the link down in the description, and comment the most beautiful place you have been to and stand a chance to win this $1,000 premium course. Thanks for watching.